Recently, the Joshua Project updated its numbers to show that the amount of people who make up the unreached have grown from 3.2 billion to 3.4. That's almost half the population of the world. At the same time, we're seeing less and less people from North America responding to the call to go. Yet we know where God is taking history. When we look ahead to the end of Scripture, we see in Revelation that beautiful image of the redeemed from every tribe and language and people and nation who are worshiping the Son. I long for that day. But when we look at the work that remains and the sheer number of people who have no idea about Jesus and have nobody living near them who could tell them about Him, we need to send out more workers than we are right now. We want to send out more, because He is worthy of it all.